welcome back again. I hope you all stay in good health, stay safe, stay at home. So we're gonna continue our session today about the area of rectangle and square. The area of rectangle and square. So this figure is called the rectangle, and here is the square. Okay, we know all the meaning of rectangle and square. And the last session we had the perimeter of rectangle and square. And now we know the meaning of word perimeter. Perimeter is measuring the side lenses from outside. But before we start, we need to know what is the meaning of the area. The area of rectangle and square. So we say from the beginning of our session now, we have our title is the area of rectangle and square. But before we moving forward the rules and the problems and whatever we have in next slides, we need to know what is the meaning of area. So area is the something inside the figure. So the perimeter was from outside. We was counting the sides from outside, but the area we're gonna count the squares from inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So, how many squares we have? 45. 45. So, again, the perimeter was measuring the side lenses from outside, but the area of any figure, we're gonna count the squares inside the figure. So again, the perimeter from outside, area from inside. So again, the area of this figure is 45. But we must say square unit or centimeter square centimeter or square meter. We must say squares in every unit you're gonna find. Okay. So the area is measuring by unit square. Okay, so the area measuring by unit square. So let's see. Now we need to know how we're gonna find the squares from inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so if we count all the squares from inside, we're gonna find the same number we have. I wrote it before. Okay, so we're gonna find the number of the squares. But is there easiest way to find the area of a square and rectangle without counting the squares? Or if we have like this one, if we don't have any squares inside, so what shall we do? What can we do? So we can't do anything except we have rules. Except we have a rules. So let's see. The area of a square. We know the square, we said it before, the square is all sides are equal in length. So we have 4 sides are equal. And we said the perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied side length. So this one was about the perimeter. This one was about the perimeter. But now we need to find the area. The area of the square is equal side length multiply itself. So if we have a square and this square, the side length is equal 5. So the area will equal 5 multiply itself 5. So 25 centimeters squared. 25 centimeters squared. So if we have a square and the side length of the square is equal 3, so the area of the square gonna equal 3 multiply itself, so it's gonna equal 9 centimeters squared. Okay guys, I hope you all understand this part. So again, the area of any square gonna equal the side length multiply itself. The side length multiply itself. So S multiply S means we have the side length multiply itself, because the side length of the square is the same for any side length, other lengths in the square. So if we have this one is equal 5, for example, so this one is 5, this one is 5, and this one is 5. So guys, I hope you all understand this part. So let's see uh, some problems we're gonna need to solve. Here we have this side is equal 4, and this side is equal 4, and this side also is equal 4, and this side equal 4. So the area of the square gonna equal 4 multiply itself. So 4 multiply 4 is equal 16. But we must write the sign of the number. So if we have the side length by centimeter, we have to say 16 centimeters square. Okay, 16 centimeters square. So let's see this one. The side length of the square here is 5 inch and 5 inch. So this one is 5 inch and this one is 5 inch. So the area of the square gonna equal the side length multiply itself. So 5 multiply 5 gonna equal 25 square inch. 25 square inch. So we have the side length by inch. So we need to say the number with a square inch. The number with square inch. So let's see this one. The area, of course, I'm gonna write it in the Y. The area gonna be the side length multiply itself. So 7 multiply 7 can equal 49 square meter. Square meter. So again here the area gonna equal side length multiply itself. So we have the side length is equal 9. So all side lengths will equal also 9. So the area will equal 9 multiply 9 equal 81. It's a side length with feet. So 81 square feet. Square feet. Okay guys. Okay. So let's see the rectangle. We can work out the area of rectangle without the grid, without the squares that drawn from inside, by the length multiplies the width. So we have this side is called length, and this side, the length yani, is equal the opposite side, will equal the opposite side. So this side will equal the opposite side. So the both sides here called length, and the shortcut of the length is L, and with this side is called width. Is called width, and the shortcut of this side is W. So we have this side is equal to this side. So the both sides here is width, and the both sides here is length. But how we gonna find the area of rectangle? The area of rectangle, the area of rectangle equal length multiply width. Length multiply width. I think it's so easy. So again, the area of rectangle is equal length multiply width. So let's see some examples. So the area in the first example, we have the length is equal 6 and width is equal 4. So the area of the rectangle gonna equal 6 multiplied by 4. So it's gonna equal 24 square centimeter. Okay, so let's see the next example. The area here gonna equal length is 11 inch multiply 7 inch. So 11 multiply 7, so it will equal 70. 7 square inch. Square inch. Okay, let's see the next one. We have the length is 7, the width is equal 20, so the area will equal 7 multiplied 20, so it's gonna equal 140 square centimeter, right? Square centimeter, right? Of course not. The side length here and the width here is with millimeter, so we have to say square millimeter. Okay, so the last example we have here is the length is equal 16 feet and the width here is equal 3. So the area will equal 16, the length multiply width. So 16 multiplied by 3, so it's gonna equal 48 square feet. This square. Okay guys, I hope you all understand this part for now. If you have any question, please send it to me in privately or whatever the way you can see is proper. And please, if you have any part it seems too hard for you, contact me. Okay? Thank you guys. I hope you all stay in good health.